Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me show you how you can use and order pizza on the Domino's Pizza app. If you haven't already, just go ahead and download the Domino's Pizza app in your Apple Store or your Play Store. And then once that it has been installed, just go right on ahead and open the app. Now this will load up the app and will ask you where you are. So this is currently the UK version, so let's go ahead and choose the United Kingdom. And then there will be some notifications. And of course, if you are going to buy something, then I would suggest to go ahead and allow notifications. You can go ahead and choose if you want some personalized ads or not. Now this will then request in terms of your current location. So just go ahead and click your postcode, or you can go ahead and click on use my current location right here. Once that you have added your postcode, just go ahead and click either collection or delivery. So I'm going to be choosing on delivery right here. You can actually change this if you want to later on. Now, depending on the nearest Domino's location, there will be some specific promos. So say for example, right here, you can get this tasty trio for $19.99. There's also the deals and the menu section right here. And then as you can see, this is the location right here at the bottom. And yeah, just go ahead and select a pizza that you would want to go ahead and do. If you want to take a look at the menu itself, it is all right here. So you can either buy pizzas, sides, desserts, drinks, or wraps. There is also the deals section right here as well. So let's say for example, let's order a pizza right here. Let's just go for the ultimate spicy meatball, and then just go ahead and click add. Now you can just go through the actual app itself. So would you like some sides or some dips? If you don't want to, just go ahead and click no. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into our shopping cart at the top right here, and then just go ahead and click continue to basket. Once that you are in the basket, once that you're happy, you can go ahead and choose. It's going to be either a collection or a delivery right here. Just go ahead and click on delivery right here, and then this will lead into the checkout section. Now all you need to do is to fill in your information, so your name, your contact number, your email address, and then if you scroll all the way down, you can go ahead and choose where the delivery is, and at the bottom you can see where or what type of payment you would want to go ahead and do. Scroll down all the way, and then just go ahead and click buy with either Apple Pay or buy with card or with PayPal or through cash as well. Once that you go ahead and click buy with, this will confirm your order, and then you will be able to go ahead and order your pizza. This will deduct the balance from your selected payment, and you would have successfully ordered your pizza on the Domino's Pizza app. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.